Hello, I'm Bernard Hickey from interest.co.nz and welcome to 90 at 9, brought to you in association with the Bank of New Zealand. This is your morning briefing where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, starting now with news that the Irish bailout has failed to calm nerves on Europe's financial markets. Also, a compromise for what will happen after 2013 has also failed to calm those nerves. The Germans were pushing for bondholders to take some of the pain after 2013 whenever a bank is in crisis in Europe. But it's compromised and said that on a case-by-case basis, the IMF could get involved. However, this hasn't been enough to calm nerves about what will be happening to Europe's banking system. Meanwhile, the euro fell and bond yields for Spanish and Portuguese government debt also rose sharply to post-euro highs versus German debt. There are real concerns now that the Irish problem will spread to Portugal and then, at worst, to Spain, which, remember, is twice as big as Greece, Ireland and Portugal combined. The Dow fell 1% on these nerves about the European financial situation, and also Barack Obama announced a freeze on federal government payrolls. The New Zealand dollar has fallen to 74.5 US cents. That's all because it's seen as one of the riskier currencies, and when the global financial markets are in turmoil like this, everyone comes back to the centre, and that is the US dollar. Meanwhile, New Zealand appears to have won a World Trade Organization ruling that would allow New Zealand apples into Australia. New Zealand has been fighting since 1986 to get its apples in. They've been blocked since 1921. Meanwhile, in Christchurch, property developer David Henderson has been bankrupted for the second time. He owed $142 million to a bunch of finance companies and the Inland Revenue. Those finance companies included a real laundry list of disasters: South Canterbury Finance, Allied Farmers, Canterbury Mortgage Trust, Equitable and Strategic Finance. And finally, Fiji Water, which is the second highest selling water brand in America behind Evian in the luxury market, that has decided to shut its plant in Fiji because of a new water extraction tax charged by Frank Bainimarama, going from 0.3 cents a litre to 15 cents a litre. I'm Bernard Hickey. That was slightly more than 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, brought to you in association with the Bank of New Zealand.